आइए अब आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं राजधानी जयपुर के उदयपुरिया मोड़ स्थित निजी विश्वविद्यालय में। आपको बता दें कि यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट परिसर में आज दीक्षांत समारोह कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। आपको बता दें कि इस कार्यक्रम का विधिवत शुभारंभ मुख्य अतिथि पुष्पा सत्यानी, आईएएस संयुक्त सचिव पीएचईडी प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर टीके नाथ, पूर्व निदेशक एआईसीटीई अरुण अग्रवाल, कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष 40, यूनिवर्सिटी चांसलर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सत्यजीत चक्रवर्ती, प्रोफेसर बनानी चक्रवर्ती, प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर विस्मयजॉय चटर्जी, प्रेसिडेंट यूईएम प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर प्रदीप कुमार शर्मा, रजिस्ट्रार डीन प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर अनिरुद्ध मुखर्जी ने दीप प्रज्वलित कर किया।
2020 पास आउट बैच, सिल्वर मेडल टू बी प्रेजेंटेड टू कुंतल कुमार माझी, बीटेक सीएससी। Next silver medal to be presented to Preetam Modak, BTech EE. Thank you so much, dignitaries. Silver medal to be presented to Bhavesh Raj Purohit, Masters of Business Administration, Management Department, batch 2020 pass out. Silver medal to be presented to Monica Pawar, MPT. Monica Pawar, batch 2020, Master of Physiotherapy. Monica, can we please have you on the stage? Medals to be presented for batch 2021. Silver medal to be given to Swagat Sen, BTech CSE. Swagata Sen, BTech CSE. Next silver medal to be presented to Sheikh Mohammad Asif, BTech ME, batch 2021. Sheikh Mohammad Asif, BTech ME, batch 2021. Start now with the bronze medals to be presented to batch 2020 Mohit Agarwal, BTech ECE. silver medal. Next bronze medal to be presented to Renu Sharma BPT, year 2020. Renu Sharma, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Renu, can we please have you on the stage? Students, please clap. Next, presented to Karan Singh Shekhawat, MBA. Karan Singh Shekhawat, MBA. Students, please clap. Next bronze medal to be presented to Sudhir Kumar Mandal, MBA. Now the category for batch 2021 pass out, bronze medal to be presented to Ankit Agarwal, BTech, CSE. Next bronze medal to be presented to Omkar Goswami, BTech, ECE. Next bronze medal to be presented to Ramanand Soibam, BTech, ME. Next medal to be presented to Vishnu Jagaka, Master of Computer Application. Vishnu Jagaka, Master of Computer Application, batch 2021. Vishnu, can we please have you on the stage? Vishnu, MBA Executive, batch 2019. Vishnu Jagaka, MBA Executive, batch 2019. If you are there, please come on the stage. Thank you, sir. Here we end with the medal. Candidates are now to be presented with degree certificate from various years. To start with, we start with MBA. From batch MBA, Bhavesh Raj Purohit. Students, I hope you must be feeling very momentous on this occasion. A great journey, and it is really proud moment for all of us to configure you with all the degrees. We are very honored for the dignitaries who have spared the precious time for us. I now invite Mr. Sunil Kumar Jat for MBA for taking the degree. Sunil Kumar Jat from MBA for taking the degree. Students, please clap. Susmita Das, Master of Business Administration. Susmita Das. Students, please clap. Clapping shows that we feel privileged being over here. Madhav Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Madhav Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Madhav Sharma, are you there? Mahesh Kumar Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Mahesh Kumar Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Students, please clap. Vishnu Kumar Sharma, next, please be ready. Vishnu Kumar Sharma, please be ready. Students, please clap. Vishnu Kumar Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Abhishek Sharma, please be ready. Congratulations, Vishnu. Abhishek Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Prakash Chandra Jat, Master of Business Administration. Prakash. Prakash Chandra Jat, Master of Business Administration. Udit Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Motivate the students with clapping, please. Anjali Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Anjali Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Motivate with clapping. Abhinav Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Abhinav Sharma, Master of Business Administration. Thank you, dignitaries.
Now, candidates are now to be presented with degree certificate from Bachelor of Business Administration, Batch 2020, Dhanraj Singh. I repeat, Dhanraj Singh. Candidates are now to be presented with degree certificate from Bachelor of Computer Applications, Batch 2020, Vinod Kumar Yadav, Vinod Kumar Yadav, Rohit Kushwaha, Rohit Kushwaha, Rahul Sharma, Rohit Komawat. Moving for batch 2021, Dolly Solanki, Tanisha Biswas. Repeating, batch 2020, Bachelor of Computer Application, Dolly Solanki, Tanisha Biswas. Kindly appreciate your dear colleagues. Just a round of applause.
Okay, moving ahead, we'll start with Bachelor of Technology degrees. We'll start with the Civil Engineering 2019 batch. The first one is Anubhav Sarkar. Anubhav Sarkar. Next is Vijay Sharma, 2019 batch, Vijay Sharma. Next, Manish Soni, 2019 batch, Manish Soni. Now Civil Engineering 2020 batch, आशीष कुमार चौबे. राजश्री मिश्रा, 2020 बैच, राजश्री मिश्रा. सयानी देव रॉय, 2020 बैच, सयानी देव रॉय. Then batch 2021, Ayush Pradhan. Ayush Pradhan from 2021 batch. Okay, now we're moving ahead. We'll start with CSE 2019 batch, Computer Science Engineering. CSE 2019 batch, first one is Rajshri Roy Chaudhary. Next, Shritama Paul. Supratik Sen. Avantika from 2019 CSE. Next, Sritama Sen Gupta.